Awesome Booksters! Today I'll be teaching you how to make banana muffins, and they are really delicious and healthy. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, please subscribe to them. I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel, like reading, arts and crafts, science experiments, and other things. Now, let's get started! I'm excited to bake! For this cooking show, you'll need flour, applesauce. I will be using applesauce instead of butter and sugar because applesauce is healthier. So I'll be pushing the butter and sugar to a side because I won't be needing them. But you can use butter and sugar if you like. You'll also need cinnamon that smells yummy and delicious, baking powder, baking soda, some salt that looks weird to me. You'll also need egg and bananas. These bananas are mushy, but you can use rotten bananas. That is better. You'll also need raisins if you want to have toppings on your banana muffins, chocolate chips, or walnuts. Before you put the raisins on your banana muffins, you have to put hot water in the raisins, because then if you don't put hot water in the raisins, it will explode. So my sister Amani will be putting hot water in the raisins. First, I'll start with the dry ingredients. Next, we'll start off with the wet ingredients that are the banana. I'm going to peel it from this side. That is yucky. You can see it is rotten from the bottom, and I don't like rotten bananas. So that's why we're using it. Next, we'll put it in the bowl and smush it. You have to press hard because then it won't smush. This is so hard. If you press too hard, the whole bowl will fall over and make a big mess. So just take your time. It's okay. My sister helped me to mush the bananas, and I'll be just pouring the applesauce in the bananas. You have to use a spatula to get all the banana sauce you can. Now I'm going to get an egg. That is gross to me. If you didn't add an egg, your thing would just be all sloppy. Now my sister helped me crack the egg because it was kind of hard. So now I'm going to get the spatula again and mix it. Then I'll pour the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. Then I'm going to have to mix it again. Don't mix this too much, only until it is nice and mixed. Now we're done mixing. Now it's time for the delicious toppings. I'm going to put like 3 or 2 spoons in this bowl because I'm going to do 4 muffins that have chocolate chips in them. So I'm gonna pour about this, like this spoon. Now I'm going to get the chocolate chips and just pour all of them in there. Oh, and these chocolate chips are yummy. Now I'm going to mix them. Just mix them around until you see all of them are not close together, just kind of far away. At this point, I'll ask my sister to turn on the oven because that's going to be kind of dangerous. I'm going to drain the raisins, okay, in this bowl. Pour the raisins in here. Mix it all up, like we did with our chocolate chips. Mix, mix, mix. Then I'm going to get the muffin liners and put them in the holes in these. That's done. Now I'm going to get the spoon and chocolate chips and put them in. Yay! Our muffins are done and they look delicious. So I'm going to eat them. Let's first choose one. Don't eat them immediately when they're done because they might be hot. Let's taste it. It turned out good. Super yummy. Okay. You can see it has the chocolates under, okay? And it has the bananas. Everything, all the ingredients have worked to make a brand new thing. And you should try it. It is good. Delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please share this video with your family and your friends. I really hope they like it too. Love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Bye.